YouTube say I'm live. Come on over, guys. Come on over to my YouTube. I'm on live. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Jesus. All 12 hours come over to my YouTube. Come over YouTube, guys. Come. All I wanna come over. Hands happy place. Just run over. And let me come over Facebook. Even though I hear some sound, but I go nearer to the water. I'm here. Yes, Shireen. Just tag the first people there. That's what I should have done from my game. Hello, Kathy. Hi. Hi. It's beach day. Yay. So, guys, I'm going to hang up Facebook. I'm going to hang up Facebook shortly. I'm going to hang up Facebook shortly. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I am enjoying myself. You know, I can't read the comments in the sun, you know? Oh my God, the sun are crazy. Guys, I'm going to end this live now. So come on over. I'm going to stay on my YouTube channel and broadcast. Where they at? Eh? Hold on, let me put on my glasses. Cause the sun, the sheen. Oh yeah. I said generally it's sexy. Oh, excuse me. People person. So let us not keep up the camera. Let us put the camera down until people properties has passed. See them here, them in the water. Make carry near to them. They might have fun. Wanna behave for yourself. Jaden, leave her alone. Watch Jaden. Jaden can't swim, you know? See him there? My cousin. See him there? A big swimmer. Jaden, don't go too far. Jaden. You're not here, you know? Yes, child. I'm enjoying myself. Watch him floating. He's floating. Who is? A big swimmer? Watch him there for me, please. Watch him for me. Tell him to come back. A big swimmer. Jesus, I'm afraid for him. He's floating. So, guys, if you're born in this parish and can't swim, like myself, that means you never used to come beach. No, sir. No, sir. I can't manage. I cannot manage today. Jaden floating away. He's floating away and I can't do a thing. Nobody do it again. I'm too scared. Nobody do it again. Come on somewhere, I'm afraid. Silver Fox, what are you typing up and deleting them? Tag Princess Rose doll there for me. You like they not left this beach today. So we get stuck at this beach. We get stuck at this beach, guys. We get stuck at this beach. Dark chocolate, I look over here, you know, but me nah make no see him. Is who else that floating? Oh, he's up. Thank God. Yeah, you must can swim when you're born where water is, but me never blessed with that. Somebody have to teach me to swim. Somebody have to teach me how to swim. Jet, not God in Ghana again. And can't swim. Eh? Talk truth. Not even my foot me can put too far in the water. Me afraid. Not even my foot me can put too far in the water. Me afraid. Born and conceive in a parish and can swim. That is so true. That is so true. Not a swimming me can do. So I have to go get somebody to teach me. You know, my olden days here. Because it's necessary. It's good exercise. It's good exercise to swim, you know, guys. Yeah, swimming is therapy. So if you can do it, big up on yourself. If you can't swim, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. I can't swim. Rosie now come, babe. My cousin said she now come. And I'm one afraid of the beach, my cousin. But the children, them like it. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Sure. Guys, you know see how they get trouble? You see how people get trouble? Wanna see how children give trouble? Let's see what's going on with them. Let me go see what's going on with them. You going back? You sweetie lass? I can't bother him saying sweetie lass. So him have to have sweetie for swim? Him have to have sweetie for swim? Guys, sun, it's hot. See, people coming, enough people are coming. Tell you know, beach not ready yet. When beach ready, it's like 2, 3 o'clock, and when beach done and dark, I come here music, a party start. You see me? That's how this place is. Parking lot almost full already. So when parking lot full, a road thing. A road where I go next. You're so nice? Alright, let's go in there. Who want to swim for me while I go in there? Guys, you want me to go and swim? If you don't want me to go and swim in the water, say yes. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want me to swim in this beach. Alright. So, when people are passing, this is the process. It's to look at my face instead. My beautiful face. Alright? Alright, so them gone. So you can look back now at the beautiful sea. Ooh. I've seen so many men. Sorry guys. Only if me can swim. Okay, you say only me can't swim, so nobody go in there then. Thank you very much, Shireen. You're looking for my best interest at heart. Me can't swim.
Auntie, me will help you.
You will help me? Here my cousin says she will help me to swim. Oh my. You will help me to swim, honey? My cousin said she will help me, but I'm still afraid. cousin said, Auntie, me will help you.
What is that?
Me not see him there? Jaden out there, so. She Jaden there, out there, so. So the life look pretty on the beach, you see. It just look peaceful and blue. So peaceful and blue. Yeah. Very peaceful and blue. To swim? You going in there? Then say me not for go swim. So when we see me here, so we go swim around there, so? Karen, I go wet up. Somebody says stay ashore, so I go stay ashore. My cousin going. My sexy body cousin going. Me soon make you no see her. Rose, my sexy body cousin, she go on a beach. So I wanna behave on herself. I wanna behave on herself. My sexy body cousin go on beach. I was told to stay ashore, so I'm staying. So we are the videographer. We not swim. Too soon to swim. Okay. You hear that? We videographer not swimming too soon. It's too soon to swim. We can't swim here, so I'm not going nowhere. When I go in this water, I'm not going to go with any live. So I'm bringing you my cousins. They are in the water and they are having a great time. Let's go nearer. Let's go nearer. Nearer so that my foot can wash again in the water. Me not here. This deep. Oh. You hear? Here so deep. This one deep. So go stand in the water like what I do. Alright, catch it, see? My feet. My feet gonna be in the water. My feet getting a little water. Come water, come to my feet. Come water, come to my feet. Come water, come to my feet. Yay, water is at my feet. Woo. My cousin them swimming, so them there. Just wash your foot. Yes, man. Me I wash my foot. You see it? You did see it a while ago? You see me I wash my foot? See it? Yay! Yay! Me I wash. Eh? Them say me not for coming out of the water, so my viewers, my friends say I must come in the water.
Why?
Why? Why I must come because I can't swim? Why I can't swim? Because I can't swim. Yeah, police?
No, we can't swim.
You can't swim. You want me see this I float, Jaden?
A float, that's my two different things.
Yeah, but me see you swim otherwise and go all far. Oh, so what do when you float? And a part of swimming?
No.
What?
Swim, I went to you move your hand them and you move from one distance to another. Float when you stay one.
Take lesson, guys. Float when you stay one place.
Swim when you change from one place to another. So come give me for that.
You're there. He might demand say me for go in the water go swim. You see it? Just wash your foot. See it?
No.
Go stand in the water. Stay ashore. You hear? All of them, me obey you. Me watch me video now. Go on. Me go swim around the other side. See him? Boy, you can't see him. Look there, guys. No, sir. This is not safe. You tell me, say, you can't see me, no? You just tell me the difference between swimming and floating. And look where I'm going to do a while ago. What am I doing in the water now? Boatman are coming in, you know. The boat are coming in, you know. The boat are coming. You know, say me not come in at this. He's tricking me just to get me in the water, not true? Alright, come, Jaden. Come, fling me. Let me go in the water. Hear them happy come me, I go in the water. Come, Jaden. But me not ready for you fling me yet. Me tell you. No! You have to take off my
Auntie, I can tell her what to take off her.
Just hold this. Let me go thing there. Just
Me
don't
just
say
take it
nothing, you
off
know.
first,
Don't say anything, you know. Just leave it like that, though. So just pull it up now. At the back. Alright, so we want to go for the next one. This is country, guys. The Wi-Fi is country. He's tricking me. I'm going in there, guys. Because them say I'm here and I'm not going into water, so I'm going to go in the shop.
Come swim now.
Swimming coming up, swimming coming up. Swimming coming up, guys. Wait, when hold it. So when me and Janaya go in the water, yeah, you touch that. Don't touch it yet.
Bounce fish kilo. Hey. gonna do? What are they doing? Bounce fishy, it bounce fishy. Nani go all the time me go in. Why? No. Yo.
Guys, I'm here. I'm back. I'm alive. I'm back and I'm alive. Ah, I'm back and I'm alive. Nothing happened to me. Nothing happened to us. We are back. So guys, I'm gonna turn off the video. I'm gonna turn off the video to have some fun. I need to have some more fun. I'm okay. I'm going to wait and give you up to about 30 minutes. Where's the other phone?
Come take a
Okay.
group one. Jaden, come.
My youth. Okay, Sim have one.
Jaden,
Come on, guys. Let's support each other. Let's support Let's support each other with the YouTube subscribing. Yeah? Let us support each other. This is family here. Woo. Born and raised at St. Thomas. In the water. And me can see. This is a beautiful day, guys. I'm having so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Thank God for this. Thank God for this. And I'm happy I could take you guys with me. I'm so happy. See, I'm not leaving out you guys out of nothing. Let me show you again. Look at him. And him saying couldn't swim. Watch him. And go and go swim now? Wanna go and go swim now? Yes, honey, that's what I'm doing there. That's what I'm doing. I'm having fun. Last year, this time, the big sea didn't allow us to do it, so we are outside today. Yee! We're outside this year. We are outside. Do 20 push-up. 20. Yeah, come right here so can do it. Can do the push-up here. 20 push-up. Can we go and give them this and leave the live? 9, 10.
Let's struggle, my ass, struggle.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! He did it, guys. He did 20 push-ups as I had asked him to do. Whew. What a day. So guys, this is where I'm gonna say bye for now. See you guys later. Hopefully I can bring you some more fun things. Alright, but most places have music, so I had to come far down on the beach. We're still hearing a little, but if it's under and it's not obvious, it will be fine. Alright, so take care, guys. Happy Easter. Toodles for now. Whoosh, I'm out of here. Bye, guys.